Hi, welcome back. I am Priya, and in this video, we want to let's go and continue our course about Python for beginner with Solo. Let's open this Solo Learn in your browser, and let's go to the courses part of this website, and let's go and start Python for beginners. Okay, guys, we are in the last video from season 3 about variables. In this video, we want to talk about a quiz in here and doing this project. Let's go and do this quiz. What's this? The output of this code? Span is 7. What is the string? Span equals span plus 0, and you know that this 0 is going to add the next of this 7, and we have 70 in here, and we have a variable like this: eggs equals spam int. It's going to convert the spam to integer and plus 3, and we have a 3 in here. No, we have 70 in here and 73, and if we want to print this variable in a float type, we have 73.0, like a decimal or a float number. Okay, what is output of this code if the user enters 42 as input? Okay, if you enter 42 in here, it is an integer, and if you want to add this number with 8, we have 50 in the output. What's the output? Okay, we have 5 in here, and 5 plus 3 is 8 in Y, and it said converts the Y, that is 8, to str. Okay, we have a string in here, and let's go to actually add these 8 with 2, that everyone is a string, so we have 82 in here, and let's convert this 82 number to an integer, and now we have a real number in this Y, and if we want to print this Y, we have 82 as a number. Fill in the blanks to declare variable, add 5 to it, and print this value. Okay, we have a variable in here that equals 4. We are going to add 5 to this 4, so we have 9 in here. If you want to print this x, we just need to write this code in here. What is the output? Okay, we have 3 in x, and we have 17 in num. So if we want to calculate the mode x of num, we have 2, because the 2 is a reminder of number mode 2x. Fill in the blanks to take name as input and output a welcome message containing the input. Okay, we have a name, and it takes an input like this, and we just should to print this sentence like there, and put this variable here to set welcome, for example, Puya. Finish. Let's go and doing this practice in here. It said when you go out to eat, you always tip 20% of the bill amount. But who's got the time to calculate the right tip amount every time? Not you, that's for sure. You are making a program to calculate tips and save sometimes. Your program needs to take the bill amount as input and output the tip as a float. For example, 50, and the output is 10, and it is a point in here. So we should get the bill amount in the input like this, and save this number in a variable like this. So we have input and integer, input and save to bill. Now we should calculate these 20% tip for this bill. So we just need to multiple this bill by 20% and save the result in S and just print the S. Okay, so let's try this. If we uh, if we actually input to $268 as a bill as an input in here, we just need to uh, take $53.6 as the tip in our bill, and it is true. Okay guys, congratulations, these code projects finished, and now we can say that this season completely finished. In the next video, we are going to talk about control flow in Python. Thank you guys. Please like this video and write your opinion as a comment under this video. I will be very happy to read your comments. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.